Bing bong, hello. It's a beautiful day. Boy, breath stinking and everything. But I told y'all, I'm not waiting to be fresh no more. You get what you get. Good morning, BT Dubs. This video right here is the first video of the mod videos. We modding out, baby. We modding out. So let me show y'all. Boom. So we got Spawn 2.0 right here. First mod, Blacklist. Yo, them guys on Spotify, look up Blacklist playlist. That shit ride. That shit ride. And then I'll find the Instagram. Look up the Instagram. Yo, great group of guys. My favorite car event that I went to all of 2019. Y'all know in 2019 I was everywhere. I was hitting them. That was the best one. That was my favorite one. All right, so today though, I got some stickers, some tire letters from damn man, where'd I get these? Oh, I got them for the Mercedes. But as you know, the Mercedes is not happening yet. So we're gonna put them on here. All right, so this is gonna be, oh, might be my first how-to video too. Oh, my battery's running low, so it's gonna be real quick. So what I did at first, I used this Meguiar's, all right, wheel and tire cleaner, but I sprayed mostly on the tire. That's what you want. You want it clean. So I sprayed that. Came out early. Oh, look at the sky, beautiful, blessed. Came out, sprayed that down, and then what I did was I got some rubbing alcohol. You want to use acetone. I didn't have any acetone, but I got some rubbing alcohol to really clean the, you want this clean. It's a little bit, it's cleaner because I had a lot of tire pressure on, or tire shine on this. So to get through all of that, I did that. But yeah, it's fairly clean. Yeah, it's clean enough, right? So then your next step, oh man, I don't know, did I leave my keys? I left my keys inside. Pop the trunk. So I got these and I put the Instagram, hit my guy up, he shipped it out here, shipped it to me in Italy. I really appreciate it. Custom, anything that you want, he can do. Great guy, great company. So I just follow these directions right here. That's it. So step one, minimum environmental temperature, 65 degrees. Feels pretty good out here. Feels about, yeah, okay. Use acetone to fully remove all oil and dust. Repeat this process as many as 10 times or more until dirt and oils are no longer picked up. Well, one and done. That's how we did it. So we'll see how it turns out. Man, I'm nervous, so I'm gonna hit it with the alcohol again. So I'm just gonna do this one. Ooh, I love the smell of alcohol, but I'm just gonna do a little bit. A little goes a long way here, so don't worry. Just to clean it up, man. Whoa, look at that shine though. Oh yeah, we in there. It's ah, damn, I need that little rolly chair. It's clean. And then I'm just gonna wipe it off. Wipe me down. I should do the wipe challenge. Wipe, 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 wipe. All right, then I'm gonna do the other three. Step one, weather's good. Nah, all right, so I cleaned the tire. Now we're gonna clean the tire stickers. And it's the same thing. So gently, you wanna clean the back of the decals with acetone. Substitute. So let me put y'all down right there. Bag up now. Get back. Oh, I wish I would have got that rolling chair. I'm gonna pull my shorts down so I could. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, there we go. All right. I'm not gonna show y'all what it says, but oh well. All right, let's get the first one out here. Oh, that's dirty. So, ooh, I love the smell of alcohol. So I'm just gonna clean it. It doesn't feel very sticky, but that's all right. Okay. All right. So we cleaned it moderately. Oh boy, I'm out here looking like a real rookie. You gotta be professional. Yeah. Real rookie, man. All right, now. There we go. You gotta read directions. Every time I don't read directions, I mess up. Oh, that's just warnings. So how to... Oh, okay. So we are going to moderately apply Flex Mint. 3 to 4 letters at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let me moderately do this. All right. Can y'all see this? I hope you can see it. And let's see. Oh man. I got a lot of letters, so I need this to last. You know what I'm saying? Moderately is up to interpretation, right? That looks like moderately to me. Now, just because this is awkward with the camera right here, but I'm just gonna spread this out and get it to the edges as much as I can on all the letters, okay? All right. Whew, that hurts, man. That hurts. Okay, so then the next step, so use the nozzle tip. So I did that. I don't know if you don't see that right there. I don't know how that came out, but I used the nozzle tip to spread out close to the edges. Okay, and then now step 4, use fingertips to apply firm pressure from the center of each letter and shape outward 30 to 40 seconds. Let's go. I'll fix this, bring you up, because boom. All right. I don't know, can y'all see that? Where's the wheel? There's a wheel? Okay, cool. Ooh, I'm nervous. I've never done it before. All right. So where do I want it? So on the wheel, I think I want to go right here. Boom. I think this is... y'all, I think I done goofed. Oh well, we'll see. We'll see. Oh god, dog, god dang. Oh man. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna do this. I think I messed up. They might be too big for these tires. I don't know, man. So I'm gonna do this on all the rest of them, and I'll show y'all how it comes out. Get out of here, spider. All right. So I think I did the back one a little bit better than I did the front. About, you know, the placement. I got a little more meat back there. But I'm just gonna show just the front. I'm gonna peel it, because that's the next step, is to peel it and then to apply the glue to the edges to really get the edges in there. So what I'm gonna do, man, god dog, yo, don't you hate when you see a spider and then you don't see it anymore? Oh, there it is. Get out of here. Okay, so you already know. So let's just, let me see. So we're just gonna peel this off. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, see, I need to. Oh, get in there. Come on. Come on out of there now. Oh, we in there. Boom, we in there. Oh shit. Oh darn it. So yeah, I think I should have put this one like a little bit higher, right? But I mean, it's all right. It's only gonna be on there for like a month or so. But you can see, hope you can get this, like right in here how it's hanging off the edges there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably just try to get some glue in there and, you know, stick it down maybe, or probably just get it on the top. But yeah, I should have went up just a little bit more. Yeah, because it's hanging off a lot down there. Cool, but hey, that's it. So I'm gonna go back and forth. So I'm gonna finish up. There's more, so I'm gonna finish it, go back and forth, and like I said, I'll show you all the finished product. Consciousness Records.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. We are approximately 70,000 light years away from the planet Earth. It is said to inhabit various life forms: water, air, and land creature. Total destruction is inherited from Roman descendants, opposed to the mindfulness of the ancient indigenous cultures. As we make our way towards the conscious mind galaxy, in the total form of nothingness, please enjoy the quiet bliss of consciousness. Thank you, and enjoy your flight.
Yo, until next time, stay tuned. Keep your peace. Light work, boy. Ooh.